Hi there, okay, doing good. So here I am with another Google Sheet workflow automation in which we have added a new module. The requirement was to create 5 different tabs, 5 different charts with a bit complex criteria. So what I've done, I have created 5 different tabs for these. One tab, the tab name are being set up as the header of the table. So appointment statistics, which is in here, then care quality, which is here, then patient referred by the provider, patient churn, and appointment. Those are all in here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 tabs created. Then I created another tab called controls in which we are dynamically pulling the number of the years available only in the in outreach and completed outreach tabs, then the months accordingly. Then we are converting the numbers, the month name to the numbers. We can delete the rest of this. Okay, so this is another tab. Then I have made some changes in the in outreach. So the column A is now week number. And on completed outreach, again, the column A is the week number, which you can always hide if you don't need to see it. Initially, those were hidden. We can always hide those or maybe reduce the size like this. All right, so once these are done, I don't think so I have made any changes in any of the other tabs. Yeah, no changes made. Let me walk through the first tab. So I have added some calculation on the right side because the criteria were so complex that those were even not easy to understand the result, whatever the result is. And also we need some helper columns to get to the right result. So I have used few columns on all of the 5 tabs to get to the right connection. I won't go in detail because you have already seen it and I think you have already reviewed it as well. So the details you can always have it. And if I miss something or if there is any of the all the months. Okay, I think you have added this new remark. Drop down to be able to be see all the months and any calendar on the month. Okay, I will make sure I will just change it. Let me just change it to instead of 2019. I'll add maybe 1, or maybe you can start it from 2017, and you will be having till 2040. Similarly for this, yep, I think that's okay. But if you want to have the, let me do it. You want to see all the months? Yeah, maybe there are some months which are available in the in outreach, but not in the appointment log. Maybe there are some dates available in this appointment log or the patient's enrollment. So yeah, it's good to have all the months. So now there is nothing to be manually entered and everything is like, sorry. If modified, now this comment should be closed. I just saw this remark. All right, so it's a bit difficult to, if we have already few remarks in it, if there are any new remarks, let me see if I can find the new remarks and I'll go through each and every one. So I have completed most of the tabs with some control helper tabs on the right side. If you find any further, if you need any further modifications or anything I missed, please do let me know so that I can make the correction and the modification accordingly. Yeah, that is it from my side. Let me see if there is any new remark you left for me, and I'll work on that. Thank you. Bye.